Okay, folks, it's time for a garden tour. Thanks for watching. All right, so let's start, I guess, over here.
These are my wax beans.
Wax beans. Okay.
Yeah. My winter squash.
Yep.
Tomatoes.
Okay.
Purple beans.
Yep.
Peppers. Peppers. There's a little baby pepper. And that's my cauliflower. The green, I'm not sure what it is.
Yeah, this light green stuff.
Yeah.
This here. That might be left over from the last garden a couple of years ago. Don't know what it is.
Or it could be from the manure,
Yeah.
what they planted.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let it grow. It could be, I'm thinking lettuce. Peas.
Maybe. These are the peas here.
Yep.
That's not.
My broccoli. I got a little head there.
Yeah.
My tomato over here.
Hold on.
Okay. And I got new buds on it.
Yeah, it's coming back. It wasn't looking too good, but it's coming back.
It snapped. It's coming back very good.
Okay.
And this is my summer squash.
Looks like they're about ready to start growing. Lots of little things in there.
These are my green beans. My cabbage. And that's, I think, about it.
Okay.
And then we got more over here, over there.
Oh yeah, let's go over there.
Show them the blueberries.
Yeah, blueberries are coming along. They're starting to ripen up. And we got.
Peach tree.
Yep, we'll get to the peach tree.
Yeah.
But, lots of blueberries in here.
We're gonna pick blueberries after this. Oh yeah. I'm having blueberries now. Oh. Oh God, these are good. Oh. These are so good.
Oh, I can't resist.
What? You're picking?
Yep.
I am too. We'll have a pint tonight. Mmm. I can't look at them enough freaking. Mmm. And
So
here's
what we have? 4, I think, right?
What?
Don't we have 4
Yes.
peaches?
We have one here, 2.
And then I think one over here.
Here, just. Yeah, there we go. And this has been, what, 2-3 years?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Getting there.
And then our tree that you cut is coming back so good.
Yep. Nothing on this apple tree yet.
No.
This was planted, so last fall? Yeah, last fall. And then this other one was planted last fall. I've got to straighten this one out. This one's a Jonah Mac. Yeah, Granny. This is the Granny Smith. This is a Jonah Mac. And I forget what that one is over there. I think the tag's still on it.
Oh.
Yeah, let's
There's
see.
some up here too, a lot.
Yep. Oh, this one's delicious.
Oh, delicious.
Yeah, I got that because that's what Danielle likes. Our daughter likes that. So, not too many apples on the big tree here. Just this branch. For some reason, just this branch has apples. I don't think anything else does.
The pear, we have the cherry tree.
Yeah, I'll get to the cherry tree later.
Yeah. Oh.
Mm.
I know. Oh.
Now, I haven't shown these garden beds yet. Now, these are old shipping crates. I got these for a real good price. I was going to build something, but these were actually cheaper to buy, and they're all already built.
Yeah.
So I got 6 of these, and then we bought, what, 2?
2.
For our daughter in Vermont. And I've shown these before, I think on the short.
Yeah.
These water jugs. This worked out well. We've got
Carrots.
Carrots there.
Beets.
Beets.
Purple beans, more carrots, and purple beans. These are strawberries coming.
So yeah, so those are working out well. That was a good idea. All right, and then we planted strawberries in here, right?
Yep.
So they were just planted not quite 2 weeks ago. And then these 2 boxes, this bed here and that bed there have nothing planted in them, so we took these containers and put them up on the top here so little critters can't get in to eat them. So what are these, beets?
Beets.
Yeah.
Purple beets and more purple beans.
Okay. And then here we have
Pumpkins.
pumpkins.
They're coming up good. They came up fast.
Yep.
Very good.
Yep, that's in less than 2 weeks' time.
Yep. Oh,
And then
these are watermelon.
yep, watermelons in here
Yep.
and in here.
But this is kind of rocky, see?
Yeah.
So we'll take whatever we can get that comes up.
Yep. That's impossible to get all the rocks out of the soil here. We have so much rock in the soil. You just can't possibly get them all out. Okay. And these grapes grew back fast. We trimmed these last fall to practically nothing, and it all grew back like this. We should have a decent supply of grapes. We've got some in here. And they're all around. Over here. Oh, there goes the bird. There's a bird's nest right up in here. Right there. You keep scaring the bird out.
Can you see it?
More grapes there. And then we got our raspberries starting to grow. I had to clean this out today. This was all overgrown with dead branches, dead canes and stuff, so I cleaned that all out today. So that might help these grow a little better. There was all kinds of dead stuff right in here. So that's all cleaned out. All right, and cherries are next. There's a burn pile where I'm burning a lot of the old lumber that I can't use from my barn restoration. So this is the second pile that I have to burn. And here's the cherry tree. There's lots of cherries in here. So there, a whole bunch up in there. Don't know if you can see them. There. Some way up there. So we got a good crop of cherries this year. I grab a lot of these as I'm driving by when I'm mowing. Same thing with the blueberries and the grapes. I grab those as I'm mowing. And I think last but not least, well maybe the least, strawberries. And I hope to have a lot more than that in the near future, probably in a couple of years. I still have to get out back and clear the old strawberry patch. So I hope to clear the patch this year if I have time, if not next year. And then it'll take probably a couple of years for the strawberries to start growing. So this is a start anyway, start for now. Look at those. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. Mmm. I just love blueberries. Ah, delicious. All right, folks. All right. Thanks for watching.